back to my channel. My name is Alejandra for those of you who are new, and if you aren't new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like this video if you like today's content. So as you guys read in the title, I'm gonna go ahead and be organizing my bedside nursery. We did the whole nursery tour, which we all know baby will not be sleeping there maybe until 6 months or a little bit older once we start feeling comfortable. But meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and have her sleep on the side of my bed, of course on my side, just because I do plan to breastfeed, and hopefully I can, just to have much easier access to her. Another reason why we are doing a bassinet is because I am like very scared of doing like bed sharing. I feel like that is very unsafe. That's just a personal preference. Who knows, my mind may change once she's here and I want to have her near me, but I feel like I would be scared to like suffocate her or throw a pillow on her on accident. So if you guys want to continue watching how I organize my bedside nursery, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, so we're starting off with disinfecting my, what I used to use as a lash cart, and now it's going to be our baby necessities cart. And I'm going to go ahead and figure out how I'm going to organize it here with you guys. So keep watching to see how it ends up, because it does not stay like this. Now I'm putting diapers in a little bin that I had extra from the nursery tour. If you guys saw, you guys know what I'm talking about. And for right now, I do have, I will be using the Huggy diapers since that's what was gifted to us. Hopefully she likes them. We do have the brand Pampers as well, so we can try both out to see what she likes.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I do without you.
Alright, so I ended up putting the diapers on the second level along with some baby onesies and some other necessities. I will be explaining everything towards the end of this video, so make sure to watch till the end. And of course I decided to add my pump supplies and all of that good stuff at the bottom row. I may end up putting it on my nightstand if I do pump at night, so we'll see how that works out.
My world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I went ahead and wiped down the whole bassinet, and I did Lysol it because I know obviously the baby was not going to come within the next day or so. So it's definitely had about a week to air out. I went ahead and added a cute little pink bed sheet. I also bought the bed sheet from Bye Bye Baby. I believe it was only like $8. So I didn't want to spend too much on that since I do know babies have accidents and they need to be constantly changed. So I thought it would be perfect for this cute little bassinet.
My world on fire. You set my world on fire. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole.
Alright, Bonitas, so that was a quick little bedside nursery organization. Now here I have on my nightstand the Frida humidifier. I do need to put some like essential oils in it. It does work as a nightlight as well, which I really like. I look forward to using that already. Here on the cart, I went ahead and added gripe water, which I've heard is amazing for colic and upset tummy, Desitin for diaper rashes. Here I have some on-hand nipple pads just in case I'm leaking, some baby lotion, more baby lotion, some socks, some mittens. This is a thermometer for a baby girl just in case we need that, some wipies. We have some burp cloths, her little binky, more pacifiers, and then down here we have diapers. These are size newborn. Here we have it's a little kit of a whole bunch of stuff we may need, and then I have a couple pajamas, a onesie, 2 swaddles, which I'm pretty sure we're gonna need more of, which they're in her nursery. Down here I have the rest of my nursing pads and my breast pump, which I need to put together. But that's it for the cart. Now Peter helped me push my chair back. We did remove the fox plant that we had here, a little blanket for the aesthetics, and I'm sure she's gonna need it. And then this is her bassinet. I was gonna get the halo, but I didn't like the fact that the legs were like so separate apart. I don't really need it to be like right at the edge of my bed, so I went with this one. I do plan on like getting off bed and getting her Bonita. Go play over there. And this is from Fisher Price. I believe I got this from Bye Bye Baby. Then I went ahead and disinfected all of it, as you guys saw. I put a little what is this called? No, a sabana. A sheet, a fitted sheet on here, and then I was gifted this little pillow so that they don't get a flat head. So I'm gonna go ahead and be using that here. And I like that it had these little toys, and it actually comes with a little like a vibrating sound machine, and it also brings out lights, which Peter needs to put on here. Excuse me, after he puts the batteries. I have it down there, and then extra diapers are down there. And then what you guys saw me unpacking just a second ago was an air purifier. Let me go ahead and show it to you guys. It's very like it fits with the aesthetic of the room, and I didn't even like order it because of that. It just had really good reviews on Amazon. Now Peter does need to like install it or whatever. We're gonna try this out already. We cleaned our carpets, we dusted off everything just to be prepared for baby girl. But you know, we can never be too prepared, so we went ahead and ordered an air purifier just because she's gonna be in this room for you know, as a newborn and up to, you know, forever. Like, she's our kid, she's gonna be here all the time, and then eventually we'll put it in her nursery if need be. So Peter needs to do that, but that is it for the little bedside nursery tour. It's very basic. We have all of her stuff in her nursery, so if I need anything I can literally just grab it. It's the next room down the hall, so she won't be, or her stuff is not too far, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys like today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.